Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a pie. In Trading 212, in this walkthrough, we'll set up a brand new pie so you can group investments into a single, easy-to-manage bundle. A pie in Trading 212 is simply a collection of stocks, or ETFs, split into slices, which helps you organize and visualize your strategy in one place. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app so you're on the main Invest screen. Once you're in, look for the pie icon at the top of the interface. It's the shortcut to everything related to pies. Give that a click to open the Pies Hub where you can browse existing pies or create a new one from scratch. Choose the option to create a pie. You'll see a few paths here, including ready-made ideas and your own custom setup. For full control, select Create a Custom Pie. This lets you decide exactly what goes inside and how you'll organize it later. Now it's time to add your first holding. Use the search to find a sample symbol you want to include. You can type the company or fund name, or the ticker if you know it. Double-check that you've selected the correct listing and instrument type before adding it. At this stage, you're just building the list of items you want in the pie. You can fine-tune weights afterwards. With your selection made, click Continue. You'll usually see a quick summary of what's been added so far. If everything looks right, move forward. If not, you can remove the item and search again until you're happy with the lineup. Next, click Next to proceed. Trading 212 may show default slice proportions or placeholders here. Don't worry if you're not ready to finalize allocations yet. The important thing is getting the structure in place. You can revisit and refine the weight of each slice whenever you like. Give your pie a clear, memorable name. Pick something that reflects its goal or theme, like growth, income, or a sector focus. Avoid using any personal or sensitive information. A straightforward name makes it easier to track and compare later. Finally, click Create Pie. Your new pie is now saved and ready for future adjustments. From here, you can add more symbols, tweak slice percentages, and, when you're ready, set up investing actions that suit your plan. Think of this as your starting framework that you'll refine over time. That's all it takes to create a pie in Trading 212. Thanks for following along, and enjoy building a portfolio that fits your strategy.